Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's the next morning. I'll show you what it looks like from a little bit of a distance. Yeah, I think it's going to blend in nicely. You know, that concrete's going to turn that gray color of concrete after it cures all the way. It's nice and set up. I've been dumping all my gray water on these trees from washing dishes and hands. Dumped some on there this morning on the moringa. Well, I'm going to get up there, that little pile of rock that I left with the Kubota, and sort through it and see what I have to work with. For that last section I need to bring it up. I'll probably have to go over to the rock pile right there and haul some over here with the truck. I'm debating whether or not to tackle this other little spot right here that's sloughed off. We'll see. Well, let me get started.
that thing fell off.
That's not going anywhere.
Now it's so cold you cannot step on it. Maybe we use that little rock. I found the fossil. Did you see shell? Watch. It's my fossil.
Well, I think your fossil's fixing to be part of the wall. If you didn't happen to catch the other video showing my mix ratios, it's Portland cement, it's 1 part, and then I'm doing riverbed gravel from here locally. I just go collect it myself. It's a mix of sand and, you know, different size gravel. Some are a little bit bigger than others. That's the mix. And then 2.5 gallons of water, and that's 2 5-gallon buckets of rock, 2 gallons of Portland cement, and 2.5 gallons of water. That's what I'm mixing it at right now. It's a little runnier than I would normally do it if I'm doing like mortar. Probably about 2 gallons on that. Now let me get this over there, get going, running out of daylight.
Some more concrete. Or cement rock.
Well, I got a little bit done on it today. I got sidetracked. Had to do some other things. At least I made a little progress. Looks like maybe 2 more courses and I'll be done with this one. I'll leave a little gap in the back and I'll fill that in with some of this spoils that I dug out to get down to this natural rock that was there. You know, I was thinking when I go to start building those domes, I could still use as gravel, you know, make concrete, set the stones, and then just leave a little bit of a void, you know, about a 1/2 inch back from the face that I want the mortar to be, and then come back and grout it in. That'd be a good way to get past the problem of not having enough sand out here. You know, there's little pockets of sand along the river, but they're kind of hard to find, and gravel is very abundant there. So I think that's probably the method I'm going to use with it. The first 4 foot of those domes, I'm going to build it vertical up. So I'll lay the stone kind of like what I'm doing here, but you know, I'll take more time and effort to make it look good. This is just for erosion control. It's going to be underwater some parts of the year. Looks better than the natural stone. You can see along the edge here, it's all over the place. Should be good and solid. Yeah, I think 2 more courses. I guess that's all I have for today. I'll see you on the next one.